Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Shaurav's classes. Today we are solving another beautiful proof-based question from the CMI examination. The CMI entrance examination is known for testing the deep mathematical understanding rather than the lengthy computations. And the questions and the proof-oriented and often combine the ideas from the real analysis, functional analysis and the linear algebra. And today's question introduces an integral operator. This is one of the most fundamental operators in the functional analysis, and in fact the similar operators appear in the Fredholm integral equations, differential equations, quantum mechanics and the machine learning. So our goal is to prove that this operator transforms every continuous function into another continuous function. Okay. So first, before solving or proving anything, let us understand what is happening here. We begin with one continuous function, f of y, the kernel kxy combines the variables x and y. Then we integrate with respect to y. So after integration, only x remains. And the question is asking, does this new function still remain continuous? So intuitively, continuous data is being averaged through an integral. So we expect continuity to remain. Now, one of the greatest principles in analysis is like continuous function remain continuous under many natural operations like addition, multiplication, limits under disputable conditions and integration. And today's proof is another beautiful illustration of this principle. So first, fix two nearby points. To prove the continuity, and our objective is to show. Now, write the difference, right? This equation is starting point of the proof. Now, take the absolute values. Using the triangle inequality, okay? Now use the definition of the norm, okay? Since we obtain, and this is the key inequality. Look, the supremum norm allows us to remove the function f from the integral, and this trick is used repeatedly in the functional analysis and the operator theory. Okay. Now comes the beautiful idea. The kernel kxy is continuous on 0, 1 square. And since this is compact, every continuous function is uniformly continuous. So therefore, whenever we have uniformly in y, so hence we can say And consequently, now substituting into the previous inequality, thus we can say, and hence TF is continuous. Therefore, okay, so this proof uses one of the most powerful ideas in the analytics. Instead of studying the complicated integral directly, we estimate it by something simpler. Mathematicians call this estimate or an inequality argument. Okay, so this is the whole thing. See you in the next session, guys. Bye bye.